Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn off highlight buttons on Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Look for the gear-shaped icon. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Accessibility. This section contains various features designed to enhance your experience. When you find it, tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Within the Accessibility menu, look for an option called Vision Enhancements. It's specifically designed to adjust visual-related settings. Tap on it to access more options. Step 4. In the Vision Enhancements section, scroll until you find the Highlight Buttons option. This setting controls the visibility of highlighted buttons on your device. Tap on it to continue. Step 5. Once inside the Highlight Buttons menu, you'll notice a toggle switch. If the feature is currently enabled, the switch will be turned on. To disable it, simply tap the toggle switch. That's it. The Highlight Buttons feature is now turned off. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.